Hello dear students, welcome back once again on your YouTube channel. Today video we are going to discuss one of the second important topic of your writing section, that is report writing. And in the last video I taught you article writing. I hope you have seen that video. So in today's video we are going to discuss have a complete discussion of the topic report writing. And after seeing this video, I'm sure that you will be expert in writing report, and your all doubt which you are having till now will definitely get over, and you will be expert in that. So let's start and go ahead. Hello students, now let's start. See, report writing. Before I start report writing, I would like to remind you, I hope that you have studied article writing. So I would like to just match both. I would like to tell you little things about both so that you can understand the difference between article writing and report writing. See, article writing and report writing both look, their format is almost same. They look same, but their writing pattern is different. Are you getting the point? See, article is, if you talk about article is written on a topic, and in article you are supposed to give all the details, even from past and present, or you can some imaginary thing you can write about the future also. But in our report you are not supposed to do that. In report you are going to write same thing which had happened or which is going to happen. Are you getting the point? And report can be written on any past event also, and in running event also, and or on an event which is going to take place in near future. So before going ahead, let's see. First we have a try to know what is report, and then we'll go ahead. See, let's see. A report is a writing account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. Simple thing, the same thing which I have told. Report is that is written on that matter or issue which you had heard, or which you have seen, or or which you had done by anyone or investigated by anyone. It is a systematic and well organized presentation of the fact finding of an event that has already taken place somewhere. I told you, the report can be written on any past event which had happened, or it can be written on any present event that is going to happen, or it can be written on a event that is to be happened in present, in coming future. So report are used as a form of written assignment to find out what you have learned from your reading and why you are experience, and to give the experience of an important skill that is widely used in the workplace. So report is what? Report is about the action done by a person, done by the person, and it contain all the details related that. So now let's see the format. What is the format of report? I told you the format of report and article are similar. There is a little different, but their writing pattern is fully different. So let's see. So don't be confused about article and report writing. See, in class 12th in your syllabus what is given here, generally two type of reports are asked in the CBSE class 12th English paper, mainly newspaper report and magazine report. A newspaper report is the one which published in newspaper, and the magazine report is generally written for a school magazine. So in your syllabus you are having two type of report that can be asked in your syllabus, that is write a report on newspaper, for newspaper, publishing in newspaper, or write a report for publishing in school magazine. These are going to ask in your paper, and we will practice only these two, and I'm going to tell these two only. So we will in your paper. So let's see, go ahead and see what are the what is the process? See, all we write, देखो, see, a well written report must possess the following trait means quality. If you are writing a report, your report should have all these quality. What are that? Adherence to the specification of the report brief, analysis of the relevant information, structure material in the logical and coherent way. Means the event which you are writing about writing, you should have all the details of that. The information should be written in a coherent and in proper sequence. Presentation in consistent manner according to the instruction of the report brief. Making the appropriate conclusion that are supported by the evidence and analysis of the report. Whatever your conclusion should be matching with the other detail which you have given above in the starting of your report. It is not that in report you are writing something else and in conclusion, in ending, you are writing something else. There should be match between each and every point. Now it is very important to follow the proper report writing format, and not to forget that format carries marks, and so we have to prepare the format very proper way, so because each and every point give you mark in the exam, so you must know the right format of report writing. See the format. First I have taken for magazine. I will show you both magazine report format and newspaper report format. This is for magazine. First thing, you write heading in the center at the top of your page. See, the descriptive title that is expressive of the content of the report. Means your title should be catchy, should be effective, should be attractive, so that it could draw the attention of the reader, and written without any mistake. Second, byline. Byline means just below the heading at the left hand side you are supposed to write your name, which is given in the question only. See, it is the name of the person writing the report, and it is generally given in the question. It is given, I told you, remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal detail in your answer, and you are not supposed to use your own name, because you have to use same name which is given in the question paper. So just after heading, below in the next line at left hand side, you will write your name. You write by, and after that name. Suppose your name is Rohit, you write by Rohit. It is given in the question. And after that, the body of the report is start. First is the opening paragraph, you can say introductory paragraph. And this, one more thing, remember your content. From here your content of the report is start. Your content of the report should give answer of all 7W. Means all 5W. Means all this question like what, when, where, how. Okay, it should give all these questions of all these answer. Then only it is going to a complete report. If these questions are not answerable from your report, it means that is incomplete, or some points are missing. So your report should give the opening paragraph. See, it is written, it may include the 5 W's, means namely what, why, when and where, along with who was invited as a chief guest. Means your report should give answer of these question. And first paragraph will start telling about that what was the event. It should contain date, time, place, and what happened, and with whom it happened. All these details should be given in the first paragraph. In next I will give you example, then you get it very clearly. And after that, in second paragraph, you will be in detail, you will be giving detailed information. See, the account of the event in detail, the proper sequence of the event that occurred along with their description. It is the main paragraph and can be splitted into two short paragraph if required. Means it is the second paragraph, you can say, or middle paragraph. And this middle paragraph can be divided into 2-3 small paragraph, and it will include all the details related to the event, the happening, whether it is good or bad. And one more thing, remember that the report can be written on good topic also and bad topic also. Bad in the sense sad topic also. Suppose crime, murder, bomb blast, death, or for example you can say right now COVID, you can take COVID also, write a report on the death, or number of death, or the death caused by COVID. in 2020 or 21. So you will give all the details, number of death, how it affected the people, all the things you will tell. Or suppose in any village COVID killed more than 200 people, so you have to write that, how it happened, how it reached the village, each and everything related to that. So in second paragraph, that will be your middle paragraph, you are supposed to write all the detail how the event had happened, whether it is good or bad or sad. Now concluding paragraph, you are going to give some advice with good notes. See what is written. This will include the description of how the event ended, and it may include the quotes from the chief guest speech or how did the event wind up. See, it is not only that you are supposed to write only such a event or such topic when chief guests are coming. It can be a sad or adversity or any calamity or any mishappening, a topic based on mishappening, that on that you have to write. Then you have to write all the things that related to that. For example, I am telling, suppose any bomb blast take place, then what happened. Normal thing that when a bomb blast happened at a place, our security officer reached there first. All the defense department reached there, and ARF reached there for protection, for recovering of the people. Medical department reached there, police officer reached there for investigation, CBI even reached there for investigation. Some criminal, some people, if any had been found guilty, or any criminal had been found, or those who are involved in the crime, they are found, they are caught, they are investigated. Then after government involved officer came, government announced some money for them, those who got killed. So all this detail you have to include if such type of topic is there. Or suppose you are writing report on any annual function or such, then you are simply have to write all the things which had happened in annual function. Suppose guest come, any chief guest come, dance perform, music, singing, award giving, speech, all these things you can include in a sequence, and you can end it with a proper note. Fine. So in conclusion, you are supposed to write, give a proper quotation or proper note or proper suggestion or proper advice if any required according to the topic of the report, and then you will wind up or close your report, and that will be going to be a perfect report. I am just showing you. So this was the magazine report. Now second is newspaper report. See, newspaper report, the format is almost same, little different is there. See, headline means you will write the title, a descriptive title that is expressive of the content of the report, you will write. Byline, same way, you will write name of the person writing the report along with the designation. See, in newspaper report, and you are required to write the post of the writer also, because in newspaper the news is written by editor, so post will be there, so you have to mention in post. But in magazine you are not supposed to mention a post, you are simply write your name. If suppose in question it is given that you are head boy, head girl, then you can write there. Otherwise if it is not given, you are not right, but you are not supposed to write. But in newspaper it is given that you are so and so you are supposed to write your name, and just below you write your post. So it is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal detail in your answer. Same condition here also apply. Place and date of reporting, and place. After that, after this, you will write date and place. Suppose you are writing from Delhi, and you will write Delhi, and date will be also mentioned just below that. It is generally not mentioned in any magazine report separately by that, and in magazine report it is not written, but in this newspaper report it is written. And after that, and it will be also written just at the left hand side. I will be showing in the next into the format. Opening paragraph, it includes the expansion of the headline. I told you whatever your topic is there, you have to tell about, you have to write about, you have to tell about that topic. Suppose annual function, then you will write about annual function. Suppose it is about any bomb blast, any criminal activity, or any visit, any good activity, then you will write about that, the activity, when it happened, how it happened, where it happened, with whom it happened, all these answers will be answered by your first paragraph. And in second you will give detail. Second paragraph can include 2-3 small paragraph, and in this you are supposed to give all the details in a sequence wise related that topic, whether it is good happening or mishappening. And last will be concluding paragraph. Same thing as I told you in the magazine, here you will also supposed to do same thing. This will include the action that has been taken so far or that will be taken. It is the last paragraph regarding of the newspaper report. Clear? I hope so that this much is clear to you. Let's move and see the things in the form of format. And first I have a comparison for you. Here you can say magazine report. This is one side magazine report, what are the point included, and this is newspaper report and what are the point included. And from here you can understand the different also. See heading in magazine also you write, in magazine report also, and in newspaper report also. And in magazine report you write by your name, but in newspaper report you write by your name along with your designation, means post. Suppose you are editor, you will write by, after that you suppose your name is Rohit, you will write Rohit and designation editor. Opening paragraph is direct there. In magazine we write opening paragraph, and then we second middle paragraph that give details, and then conclusion. But in newspaper, after your name and designation you have to put date and place, and then your first paragraph come, opening paragraph, and then middle paragraph that which give detailed information of the report, and then conclusion. So which point is not matching? This point. Date and place are included in newspaper report, but date and place are not required in the magazine report, and rest of it is included. One more thing, that we write designation. So 2 points are not matching. Designation means post is written in newspaper, which is not written in magazine report, and date and place is written in the newspaper, which is not written in magazine report. Rest point things are similar. Now see, go ahead further. Tips and trick, leave it, you can see, I'm going ahead. Now I will tell you the main thing. Yes, come to the format. Tips and trick, everything you know, that you have to write proper way. Tips and trick, what is written I am telling you orally, because that will take more time. So you have to write proper way without any mistake. Your language should be good, spelling and other things should be good. Don't write roughly, write in a sequence, and your each line of each paragraph should be connected to the main paragraph, main topic on which you are writing. It should not that you are in first paragraph you are writing about that main topic, in second paragraph you are going somewhere else, means your topic another topic, and third paragraph you are writing different. So don't do like that. Each and every line of each and every paragraph should connect with the above line, and finally it should connect with the main topic of the report. Now let's see. First is heading, common in both magazine report and newspaper report. And in magazine report we write by and name, but in newspaper report we write by, and just after that we write post also, designation also, and after that one more point is included, that is date and place here in newspaper report. After that first paragraph start. First paragraph it include all the details, and then middle paragraph I have already explained you, and then concluding paragraph. So dear students, I hope this much is clear to you. Let's move ahead. Now is there any question? Let me see. Yes, I think I have kept a question for you. Let me see. Yes, I have a question for you. Now see, this is the question. You are Sandhya ya Sohan, and active member of Animal Lovers Club, which works for the welfare of the animals by preventing cruelty to them. Means you are a animal lover and you work for Animal Lover Club, and you want to save the animals and from those who are killing or try to give pain to the animal. Recently you visited Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home, and you are pleasantly surprised to see the good treatment given to the animal. Write a report in 150 to 200 words on your visit. You may use the following hint: injured dogs and cat, and and abandoned pets, very old animals, all very well cared for, well equipped medical room, veterinary and surgeon, green surrounding. Yes, are you showing this question? So this question is about a visit you did to a place, Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home, where animals, street dog, injured dog, which are moving on the road or got injured, they had been carried there and they are given treatment and they are kept there very nicely. That you had seen there, and now what you have to do, you have to write a report on that. I told you, report is written on any past event that you observed, that you seen, or that you did. So same it is, you went there, you observed all the things, so you have to write a report. Now one more thing included in this question, see, hints are given that these points should be highlighted. So please remember, please keep this point in the mind. Now you have to follow this, you have to follow this, you have to use all these points in your report, because when teacher will check your copy, he will search for this point. It should be there. If it is not there, there is a risk to lose the mark, because it is compulsory for the teacher and for you that these points should be there, because it is given in the question. If it is not given, then you are free to write, but if it is given, you are supposed to use all these things in your answer in a sequence. So this is the question. Now you have to write report. How you will start? Simple thing, you will write your heading. What? See, I am having answer, I am just showing you so that your doubt should be clear completely. See, visit Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home. You have visited, simply it is in the question also. From there you can pick the heading. You don't have to look anywhere, heading is there in the question only. After that you will write Sandhya Shohan. By is not written here, but you can add by here. And then you'll start your first paragraph. See, Animals Lovers Club was recently invented by the Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home for a visit where an opportunity to oversee the working of the organization was given. Means he had got a chance to visit this animal care home, and where he got a chance to see how the animal had been taken care. Means you had gone and you have seen all the things. So when you go there, suppose some students are thinking that I have never gone, how I can imagine. So that's why I am telling that you have to practice of writing on different topic. You suddenly, if you get any topic, you cannot write. You should have imagination power. That's why this question is given to you in the board exam, to check out your knowledge, your thinking, and how good you think, how good you imagine, and how good you write. That's why I am telling you should practice regular for getting perfect in report writing or whether it is article writing. So you have to do this. It is not a one-day task. So let's move ahead and see, Animal Lovers. Now I am reading from here. It is home to abandoned pet, means those who are left on the street, rescued animals, and the one who injured on the street. I told you it is an animal house, so they are going to keep all the animals. So you will write this. Now nothing is to tell here. It is each thing, whatever written here, it is written about the place only and what is you have seen after visiting. Now I am coming to the last. Middle paragraph will give detailed information of that thing. Now last I am going to explain. See, Mahatma Gandhi Animal Care Home is doing a mind-blowing job by understanding and fulfilling the need of those who cannot speak for themselves. The experience was overwhelming. See, this is a positive conclusion. I told you your writing, whether it is article or report, should have a positive note, should have a positive word or positive statement at the end of the report or article, and that will make your report more effective and more pleasant and more attractive, and it will help you to get more mark in the exam. So please take the screenshot, stop the video, read it carefully, see the pattern so that you get complete idea and so that you not do a single mistake in the coming exam. I hope, dear student, that you got each and every point very clearly, and now you don't have any doubt related report writing. And one more thing, I have already uploaded the video of article writing If you have not seen, kindly visit, search in the playlist of class 12. It is there. I have already uploaded on this channel. You can watch it there. And keep on studying proper way for getting perfect and for scoring good marks in your upcoming board exam. Good luck. Keep studying.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन ताकि आपको मेरे सारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले।